myEcon for about close to 2 months now. And I've always I saw the videos on Facebook with Mr. and Mrs. Smith. They were always constantly coming on, and I saw it, and it was like, you know what, I'm going to do this, and I never did it. I'm going to do it, and didn't do it. But then I kept looking at my bills. I'm like, here is that I'm making close to over $100,000 a year, and I got nothing to show for it. And that bill was crazy. And I was fed up with it. I called them up, and he said, let's get it going. And follow the procedures of changing the W-4 form and make adjustments. And within about 2 weeks, I saw the adjustments go through, did the math, and I saw, you know, these 2 paychecks coming back, and I was like, wow, $1,000 a month back in my pocket. So now it's just about trying to follow, you know, the procedures of paying off my debt now. So I'm gonna take that $1,000 and for myself, you know, I had before I started, I had about close to about $35,000 of credit card debt I had. You know, I was married before, and I got divorced, and I was paying this stuff off, and now I'm down to about close to 11. I'm gonna take that 11,000, hopefully pay that off within the end of the year, and use that money that I'm using from the payments of the credit card to start paying off other bills on top of the money that I'm getting from this. So this works. I'm telling you, it works. And that's why I'm trying to, you know, again, get educated and pass that education down to everybody else so that hopefully, you know, we can understand what's happening. You know, everybody was big about, oh man, you know, we got, you know, the new president coming in and we're going to be jacked up. You don't have to worry about that.
Right.
You really don't, because now it's all about you, your business.
Right.
It really is. So take it by the horns and, you know, fly with it, because once you get the education, there's nothing to it. You know, people always talk about, you know, oh, I know about money. You know,
Nothing about money.
Don't know nothing about money.
Right.
You know, the money came in my pocket, and somehow the money ran away. Matter of fact, even making on top of that, you know, with the taxes, at any summer when you get your last check, I looked at the bottom of the check, and I saw that it was $47,000 in taxes taken.
Wow.
And I only got back $6,000.
Damn.
Something's wrong with that.
Right.
Yeah, that was only like an eighth of coming back. I mean, I understand, you know, the services we have, for, you know, to provide things, but only an eighth of it. So, and now when I did the math on myself, I'm getting back $1,000 a month. So I'm going to get back way more ahead and be able to pay off my bills, pay off my debt. And now I can take that and I can invest that. So I'm telling you, this can't get any better than this. So for anybody who's hasn't been signed up for it yet, do it. You know, you might be afraid. I was afraid. I was scared, you know, because people are scared to make changes. But you gotta make changes to really make improvements. Right? So I just hope that you know, my example, you know, Lauren's example, and you know, I want to be like, you know, Spencer, you know, have that big millionaire, you know, in the house, and it's a great thing. I look forward to hopefully for the next year, you know, and we got the event in June again coming up, you know, in Atlanta. I'm looking forward to, you know, be there. Go for it. So I appreciate it, though.
Thank you.